Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Your Ideal. Today I am going to tell you about Sir Nikola Tesla. First of all, we have to know who was Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was an engineer and scientist known for designing the alternating current electrical system, which is the predominant electrical system used across the world today. He also created the Tesla coil, which is still used in radio technology. Tesla was born in Croatia on July 10, 1856. Tesla was one of 5 children, including siblings. Tesla's interest in electrical invention was only for his mother, who invented small household products in her spare time, while her son was growing up. After studying in Germany, the Polytechnic Institute in Austria, and the University of Prague during the 1870s, Tesla worked at Central Telephone Exchange. In this period, the idea for the induction motor first came to Tesla. But after several years of trying to gain interest in his invention, at age 28, Tesla decided to leave Europe for America. In 1884, Tesla arrived in the United States. Edison hired Tesla, and the two men were soon working tirelessly alongside each other, making improvements to Edison's inventions. In 1885, Tesla received funding for the Tesla Electric Light Company and was tasked by his investors to develop improved arc lighting. After successfully doing so, however, Tesla was forced out of the venture and for a time had to work as a manual laborer to survive. His luck would change 2 years later when he received funding for his new Tesla Electric Company. Throughout his career, Tesla discovered, designed, and developed his ideas for several important inventions. Let's discuss about his inventions. Number 1. AC electrical system. Tesla designed the alternating current electrical system, which would quickly become the preeminent power system of the 20th century, and has remained the worldwide standard ever since. In 1887, Tesla found funding for his new Tesla Electric Company, and by the end of the year, he had successfully made the AC-based inventions. Number 2. Hydroelectric power plant. In 1895, Tesla designed what was among the first AC hydroelectric power plants in the United States at Niagara Falls. The following year, it was used to power the city of Buffalo in New York. Number 3. Tesla coil. In the late 19th century, Tesla created the Tesla coil, which laid the foundation for wireless technologies and is still used in radio technology today. Tesla himself used his coil to study X-rays, radios, wireless power, and electromagnetism in the Earth and its atmosphere. Number 4. Free energy. Having become obsessed with the wireless transmission of energy, around 1900, Tesla set to work on his boldest project yet, to build a global wireless communication system to be transmitted through a large electrical tower for sharing information and providing free energy throughout the world. Number 5. Death ray. After suffering a nervous breakdown following the closure of his free energy project, Tesla eventually returned to work, primarily as a consultant. But as time went on, his ideas became progressively more outlandish and impractical. He grew increasingly eccentric, devoting much of his time to the care of wild pigeons in the parks of New York City. Tesla even drew the attention of the FBI with his talk of building a powerful death ray, which had received some interest from the Soviet Union during World War II. At the age of 86, in New York City, Tesla died of coronary thrombosis on January 7, 1943. Several movies have highlighted Tesla's life and famous works. Most notable, The Secret of Nikola Tesla in 1980. Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world in 1994. The Prestige in 2006. Tesla in 2020. In 2003, a group of engineers founded Tesla Motors, a car company named after Tesla, dedicated to build the first fully electric powered car. Then in 2008, a group called the Tesla Science Center was formed to purchase the property and turn it into a museum dedicated to the inventor's work. Thank you. In the next video, we will meet with another biography of another ideal person. Thank you for staying with me. Please comment your ideal person in the comment box. I will make a video on his or her biography. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.